We navigate through this complex world using a multiplicity of unique senses. For the majority of us, we chiefly rely on vision. But how do we see? What structures of our bodies facilitate this experience? And how exactly does it all work? Our journey begins with the eyeballs. Light first enters into our eyes through the cornea. The cornea is a transparent dome protectively shielding your iris and pupil. It ensures only light enters into your eyes, providing the majority of your eyes' refractive power. That is, it is in charge of bending light rays onto the lens. The lens focuses the incoming light rays onto the retina. The lens is changed in its shape by the ciliary muscles, either being flattened out when focusing on objects far away or made more round when focusing on objects close up. Without the lens, we would be totally reliant on thick, high-powered glasses to see. Such a state of lenslessness is known as aphakia. The light reaches the retina. The retina contains light-sensitive structures known as rods and cones, shaped like, you guessed it, rods and cones respectively. Rods maintain our vision when in dim light and provide undetailed images. Cones maintain our vision in bright light, giving detailed images as well as allowing us to see colour. Upon detecting light, these rods and cones collect information about the objects we see, such as dots, edges, colours and angles. This information is relayed to retinal ganglion cells, the postal service of your eye, via bipolar cells. These ganglion cells further send this information as electrical signals along the optic nerve. Some of the information then crosses over to the other side of your brain at the optic chiasm. Afterwards, optic tracts relay to the lateral geniculate nuclei, two bulges deep in the middle of your brain, and to the superior colliculus, two little bumps at the top of your brainstem. Finally, the information is sent along optic radiations to the primary visual cortex, located right at the back of your brain. Here, your brain compiles all the information gathered on edges, colours and textures and forms them into a fully comprehensible image. This mysterious recognition of edges and textures allows us to recognise patterns, including human faces. Your eyes are fascinating and beautiful. They receive light, allowing you to see objects and spectacular colours before being processed and made sense of in your brain. And that is how to see.